Hey guys, it's Dan Froelke here, and I have a Prosperity People System update for you. I also want to talk about the amazing products within this system, because that's really one of the main reasons why I joined Prosperity People System, for the products. And they always say at PPS, we lead with our products first, and then there's a business opportunity after that. But the most important part in PPS is the valuable products, and I'm going to get to that in just a little bit here. But first, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to generate a full-time or part-time income using the power of the internet in legitimate home-based business opportunities like the ones that I feature on this channel right here. Now, inside Prosperity People System, we have high-level training from well-known internet marketers who have sold millions of dollars in affiliate products online. For example, I'm not sure if you ever heard of the guy by the name of Mark Hendricks, but he was a rock star in our industry. Unfortunately, Mark passed away a few years ago due to an illness. But this guy was an amazing educator and mentor. He was a skilled copywriter, an author, speaker, and mentor. Incidentally, he was one of my first mentors, and I really learned a lot from this guy, his education, his training, and all of his quality products. And I can really attribute my success to Mark Hendricks. That's why I was so excited about the products inside Prosperity People's System. So that's the kind of products that we have inside PPS. And this training and education is all evergreen, meaning it's as relevant now as it was when it was first introduced. Okay, so in this video, I want to share with you some of the products from Mark Hendricks that I learned from. And again, I absolutely love these products, and I'm certain you're going to get a lot of value out of them. But first, not only do we have valuable products, we have an excellent high-ticket business opportunity as well. So I want to show you some results that I've gotten just this last month with my Prosperity People Systems business. So let's get started right now. Okay, I want to show you some results now. So I'm going to log in to my Prosperity People Systems members area here, and I'm going to show you some results. Now, the reason why I show you these results, well, there's actually a couple of reasons. Number one, I want you to know that it's still working, because everyone asks me, hey, are you still getting sales, Dan? Are you still getting sales? Absolutely, and I'm going to show you in a couple minutes. And the other reason is I want you to know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff, right? To use Prosperity People System and make money online, okay? And I can show you exactly how to do that. Now, there is a disclaimer here, and I have a disclaimer every time I show income results. But here's the deal. These results are my results. Okay, I don't promise you are going to get these results. Results are not typical. In no way do I guarantee that you will get these results, if any at all, right? Because I can show you exactly what to do. I can show you all my resources and all the training, all the education, but it's up to you to actually put in the time and do the work. Now, there is work involved. However, I'm 100% certain, okay, that it's nothing that you cannot do, okay? So let's log in right now. First of all, I want to show you the date, because that's pretty important. It is October 19th, Monday, October 19th, 2020, right? Monday, October 19th, 2020. I just had a sale this morning, and I can show you that in a little bit. But let's log in to the members area of Prosperity People Systems, okay? So let's log in right here. And again, it's only October 19th. I'm at $20,500 for the month. Now, I joined around the 4th of July. Actually, it was about a week before, and I started really advertising this system about around the 4th of July, and I'm at $107,000, okay, in just, what is that, a little over 90 days, okay? Awesome system. I absolutely love Prosperity People System. It's the very best big ticket system out there by far. I've been in a lot of them over the years. 100% commissions. You're not getting 80% or 50%. 100% commissions sent directly to you. And that's what I absolutely love. And we've got so much value back here as far as the products. It's incredible. I love the products. And again, this system here has the most valuable products that I've ever seen in a back office. And I'm not just blowing smoke. That is 100% true right there. Okay, so again, $20,500 for the month, and it's October 19th. Okay, so I got a couple weeks left, right? I have all this week and all next week. All right, so it's a great month here at Prosperity People Systems. All right, now I just got a sale last week. I want to show you. Actually, I got this. Let's see, mailed on the 14th. I got it on the 15th, which was what, Friday or Thursday? All right, and just want to show you right here. Right here. I don't know if you can see that. And let me just open this up here. I got a sale this morning, and I want to show you that right up above there. It was a Zelle payment. Just here. Oh wow, it's in a kind of a opened up envelope. Okay. All right, so now this is a $1,500 sale. However, he added the admin payment, and we're allowed to do that. Okay, so the admin payment is added on there, a $1,500 sale. Welcome, Richard. Awesome. Now, I know for certain this is from my SMS text marketing, and to generate these sales, I'm using SMS text marketing, email marketing, of course, my YouTube videos, and postcards. All right, now this postcard converts, and it's exclusive to our team. Now, last week, or not last week, but the week before, I had a $7,500 sale. This gentleman joined me at the $7,500 level, and I asked him, how'd you hear about us? How'd you hear about Prosperity People System? He said he received my postcard in the mail. So postcards do work, especially this one right here. It's exclusive to my team, and it converts. Now, here's how postcard marketing works. We use a print and mail company. They do all the work. Now, if you want to, you can do the work. I choose not to. I like things easy. I like things hands-free. So, again, we have a print and mail company that we're using. They do it all. They print the postcard. They inkjet the lead right on the back of it. And they put the postage on. They mail it out. And it cost $647 per 1,000. Right? Now, if you order more, the price drops a little bit, but not much. All right, so $647 out the door. Now, here's what happens, okay? So they mail it out, and what happens to the majority of those? Well, you probably guessed it. They go right in the garbage, right? Right in the garbage, get thrown away. However, about 1.5% to 2% of those end up in the hands of a very interested person, okay? They opt into your site. They watch the 14-minute video, which is you're going to watch real soon, and they're really interested. And out of those people, out of 15 to 20 people, usually 1 or 2 will join you. And because this is a high-ticket business opportunity, and my average sale is $3,500, well, you can see the return on investment here using postcards is huge. Okay, again. I had a sale the other week. I spent $647 on a mailing. As a matter of fact, it was this postcard because you always receive your own postcard in the mail. And I received a $7,500 sale from a postcard mailing. Now, you can imagine I took the majority of the money that I earned from that, and I put it into a mass mailing, and that's going to be going out soon. Okay, so these work, postcards work, so that's what we're doing. And again, this one here, this is exclusive to our team. All right, so now I want to talk about the products, because that's really one of the reasons why I joined Prosperity People Systems, because of the phenomenal products. And I just want to highlight a few here because I understand how important this is to a lot of people to to sell real products, real value, okay? And I want to get to that right now. Plus, I got a sale here this morning. I want to show you another Zelle payment of $1,500 plus the admin fee. So want to show you that. But let's get right back to the video. And again, I want to highlight these valuable products inside Prosperity People systems. Okay, I want to share with you some of the products that we have from Mark Hendricks in the back office here. And this is really cool because you can grab the digital assets of a 7-figure internet business and you're going to actually get the resale rights. So you're going to purchase a product package and then you have the resale rights to go and sell that and make money from home. Not only are these products high quality, but they're also proven in the marketplace and in demand. And most of them are largely based on evergreen business and marketing topics, meaning the training and principles will never go out of style. So I want to start out with 6 psychological sales triggers. This is a video workshop that Mark did, complete with transcripts and e-cover. 17 ways to build a list. This one is a 4-hour course plus workbook, and it comes with a reseller sales page. How to build and profit from your own lists. This is a massive audio course with transcripts, a workbook, and a reseller sales page. And how to get more done in less time. This was a video workshop that Mark did that has been transcribed and an e-cover was created. So this is a perfect example of an evergreen product. How to get more prospects, customers, and sales using 7 proven marketing secrets. And this contains 2 special reports. Insider Secrets of Internet Marketing. Now, I absolutely love this one because this contains over 60 hours of live Q&A and internet marketing training, plus transcripts and a reseller's sales page. 2 Internet Marketing Superstar Conferences. All the recordings and more from 2 entire conferences, plus all the workbooks and reseller sales page. Living Your Dream Lifestyle. Now, this is actually a new course that Mark unfortunately never released, and it includes 5 video sessions, a workbook, worksheets, transcripts, and an e-cover. And this is one of the last courses that Mark created. This is an excellent course. I just went through it the other day. Lunch with Mark, which includes well over 100 hour-long coaching sessions with Mark, plus a reseller's sales page. And How to Make Your Ads Sell Like Crazy, which is a 109-page ebook plus reseller sales page. Marketing Leverage Pro, which is a huge product containing about 1 gigabyte of videos, audios, and documents teaching you how to do offers and sales letters. And it comes with a reseller sales page. Marketing Mindset Mastery. I absolutely love this one. This is another 4-hour course on mindset, and it also comes with a reseller sales page. Small Business Success Coach, which contains about 50 audio and video training sessions. This is actually geared to offline brick and mortar businesses, and it comes with resellers sales page. The Magic Napkin, which is another video workshop that Mark did, and Webinar Workshop video series, which contains 17 workshop videos on various marketing topics. And I absolutely love this one too. It's how to write copy that sells like crazy. I learned a lot from this one right here. It's a 6-module copywriting course plus a reseller sales page. Now, it's really important for you to keep in mind that many of these products are huge. Okay, these are multi-part products containing numerous recordings and sessions, workshops. Huge value, guys, huge value. And these are the materials that have generated millions of dollars of online revenue. In other words, these are the assets of a 7-figure business. All right, so there you have it. Just a handful of valuable products from Mark Hendricks inside Prosperity People System. Now, Mark left a legacy of successful students like myself and many others who followed his teachings, and I'm very grateful for Prosperity People System in adding his products in the back office to carry on his legacy of quality training and education. And I also want you to remember the products listed on our site have a real world retail value, okay? It's not a perceived value. This is a real world retail value, meaning the price of each product listed is the actual retail price you would have paid online. So they're not just some very cheap $5, $10 PLR products found in most systems. So if you got some value out of this video, I'd appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and I'm going to notify you every time I upload a new video. So if you are interested in allowing me to help you make money online with this high-ticket business opportunity, I want you to go to handsfreeprofits.com. That's handsfreeprofits.com. You're going to be redirected to watch a 14-minute video that explains all about this amazing, legitimate home-based business Prosperity People system. And I also put a lot of things in place for people who put their trust in me and join me in this business. Now, at the end of this video, you're going to see this video right here. Okay, it looks exactly like that. It's at the end of this video. I want you to watch that video to see all my amazing team bonuses that will help jumpstart your business. Now, I even put my money where my mouth is. I actually spend my own money on postcard campaigns, SMS campaigns for you, okay, depending upon which level that you join me at. All that's going to be explained in this video right here, so I want you to watch that. Right after this one, you're going to see it, give it a click, and watch it. All my amazing team bonuses. And if you have any questions for me, you can always put it below the video in the comments, or I have all my contact information below the video as well. You can reach out to me there too. I always get so excited for the people who join me because I know firsthand that this could potentially be life-changing income for you and your family, and who doesn't need that right now? All right, so hey, this is Dan Froelke. I appreciate you watching this again. We will see you on the next video.